Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. It really helps out the channel. What we got today is the Pittsburgh Deluxe lens renewal system here from Harbor Freight. I picked this up when they had a 30% off of anything 20 and under. I've been wanting to try this out because I need to clean the headlights on my car. Plus, I got some new LED headlights to put in for a future video. So I want my headlights looking good for that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at some of the features of this, see what all comes with it, and then we'll go out to my car and try it out. So let's get started. All right, now taking a look at it, it says sand, refine, polish to restore cloudy and dull headlights. There's a before and after. They always make it look good on the package. We'll find that out here in a little bit. And then they say 4 easy steps: mask, sand, refine, and polish. Now this is what everything looks like on the back of it that's included. Then we have what's in it is going to be the masking tape, the 500 and 800 grit sanding disc, 3000 grit sanding pad, orange sponge round polishing pad, the black plastic polishing pad with the back foam layer, zinc plated steel 1/4 inch arbor, and then we have the one plastic tube of polishing and cleaning foam. Very nice. And it says U supply, standard household drill, and then we got a detail cloth and spray bottle and water. And we have all that. Now let's get out to the car and try this out. All right, now to show you guys what we're working with here. Here is the driver's side headlight. And this camera does not do it justice how bad these are. Then we'll move over to the passenger side. I think this is the one we're going to start on. You can see how cloudy that is. So I'm going to get the camera repositioned and we're going to mask this off real quick. Now I'm going to start masking it off with the masking tape they use. This one's kind of a pain on this car because you got this little dip down right in here and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to probably fast forward through this so you guys ain't got to watch it. To me, it's kind of boring, kind of like watching paint dry. All right, now that's done, let's move on to the next step. All right, now we got our drill here, and what I'm going to do is this says to start with the 500 disc. Now this one don't say nothing about using water in it. I'm going to use a spray bottle just because I've always done it that way. So we're going to spray this headlight down, get it nice and wet. And that is the look we're going for right there. How it cleared up when it's wet, that's what we want it to look like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand it going this way. And then what I'm going to do is like down here in the edges where I can't get, I'm going to take this paper off and do it by hand. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you see how it turns this white milky color? That means it's doing its job right, and that's what you want. Now I'm going to spray it off and see what it looks like. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this pad off like I said. And then by hand, I'm going to get down in this corner where you can't get with the disc. All right, now you see the splatter on the car. Of course, I'm going to clean this up afterwards when I get done with this, so I'm not too worried about that. In case you guys have never seen my video, I got an AI Volt pressure washer, and I can wash my car with that, so I'm not worried about any of this at the end, just in case you were wondering. So let's move on to the next step. All right, now on the next step, we got the 800 grit, and I'm just going to spray this down once again like we did before. And we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to fast forward through all this too, because this is like watching paint dry, like I said. Once again, you can see how it's getting milky, so it's doing its job. All right, once again, I'm going to take this pad off, and I'm going to get down here in the corner where this won't reach. All right, now I'm going to spray it off again. And every time I do this, it seems like it's getting clearer and clearer, which is what it should be doing. All right, so let's move on to the next step. Now we're going to the 3000 grit. Once again, spray this all off, get it nice and wet, go to town. Now you can see while I'm doing this that it's less smoky than what it was before, and that's the way it should work. Once again, I'm going to pull this off and get down in that corner where I can't get it with the drill piece. All right, let's move on to the next step. Now I'm done with that. I'm going to spray it off once again. just to get all this crud off of there. And then I'm going to take a Grant's microfiber towel that I also got at Harbor Freight. And I'm going to wipe this off and get it dry because we're going to polish it next. Next thing we're going to do is put the polishing pad on. And they say put a dime size drop on the center of this. So we got that right there. Now this is what I'm interested to see. Because I'm going to tell you guys right now, I used Mother's before this. And Mother's is like twice the price of this. So I'm kind of anxious to see how this turns out. So let's go ahead and I'll fast forward through this while you guys watch. Now the first one I always do, I put a lot more polish on it than you probably need to. Just to get the pad a little bit soaked since it is new. That's just something I personally like doing. But I always do about a dime size on it. Alright, now I'm going to take this off again. And I'm just going to get down in this corner. And you can see some of that is coming off onto my thumb now, so it's pretty saturated now. Alright, let's get another microfiber towel and get this wiped off. Alright, you could probably already tell this thing is looking really good. So let's go ahead and take a different microfiber towel that's clean. Start wiping this off. And man, this looks so much better than the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you guys here. Bring you in real quick. Let you guys see that. Very nice and clear. And for a comparison once again, that's what the driver's side looks like that I haven't done yet. This works great for the price. So what's my final thoughts of the Pittsburgh Headlight Cleaning Kit from Harbor Freight? I give it a thumbs up. I mean, look at that. That thing is crystal clear now. Showed you guys the other side once again. We'll just turn this here real quick so you guys can see that. That is amazing on there. And to me, half the price of what I've been paying for the Mothers, I am ecstatic about it. Now I know that when I put this out, or before or after I put this out, there's going to be a 30% off of anything 20 and under. That's when I picked this kit up. I'm going to buy a couple more of these kits when that comes out because I got a few more cars to do, but that thing looks awesome. Also, one thing I want to mention in this video, this van and battery, I did a video on this a while ago. I'll leave a card up above. This thing is still running strong and I have no issues with it. Just wanted to throw that in. But as for the headlight cleaning kit, thumbs up, I would snag it. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It helps the channel out and helps the channel grow. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.